Hi there, I'm Ben, an RV technician here at Lichtsinn RV, and today I'm going to show you how to de-winterize a Solis Pocket 36B. Really easy to do. Alright, very first thing we're going to do is you're going to want a hose, so we can actually add water to our freshwater tank, so we can actually flush the system out. There's two ways of adding water. We can either do it back here on the freshwater inlet, or up there there's actually a gravity fill that's right by your kitchen sink. We can add water that way too. I've already put some water in here, but I'll put a little more. You want to make sure this is on tank fill, which is right there. Right there, face it down. And then I'll just add a little more water. You can fill the tank if you want to and flush that much water through. The main thing that we're just trying to do is just get the RV antifreeze out of the system. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start back here. We have the rear shower here. So what I'll do is I'll turn this valve back to normal operation, the tank fill valve, and then now I'm going to hit the water pump switch right here, and then we're going to go right here and you're pretty much going to run it until you see nice clean water coming out of here. It's going to take a little while because we do have to put 2.6 gallons worth of water in the Trimacombi, so that does take a little bit. Okay, and now, so that's what we're looking for, just nice clean water coming out of there. And we'll shut that off. Okay. Alright, so now we will go inside and de-winterize the fixtures inside. Okay, now we are inside. Just a couple things to do in here. So again, the kitchen faucet, we're going to go hot and cold. So turn the hot water on. And again, we're just looking for nice clean water coming out of there, flushing all that RV antifreeze out of there. Go over to cold. And again, flushing it out of there, nice clean water. Just like that. And then the other thing I just hit really quickly is your preheat down here. So literally just hit it just really quick and then back. Okay, and now also in your bathroom, just make sure when you turn your hot and cold on that we get the nice clear water running out of here. We want nice clean water running out of the bathroom faucet also. So the main thing about de-winterizing the 36B is that we just flush as much water as possible through the system. The more we flush, the more of the RV antifreeze that we'll get out of the system. RV antifreeze is not toxic, so if you don't get it all out, you might just get an oily taste, but you're not going to hurt anything. Other than that, that's all there really is to de-winterizing the 36B Solis Pocket.